Addressing a press conference, Congress leader Ghulam Nabi Azad has said, questioned the government, in fact, saying why did not they object to Kashmir being referred as Indian-administered Kashmir, quote-unquote, in a statement issued by United States State Department. So a big controversy coming out, the Congress questioning the government.
I think the country would expect, why has this government accepted US phrase of Indian-administered Jammu and Kashmir? I would like to make it clear that Jammu and Kashmir is the integral part. It was an integral part, is integral part, and shall remain an integral part of India. For Narendra Modi ji and his party, this can be a subject of political expediency to keep silent that Indian Nation Congress and other nationalist parties and secular parties will never remain or keep silent.